How to log into Citi Double Cash Card online account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be talking about logging into your Citi Double Cash Card online account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open your preferred web browser and search for Citi Double Cash Card in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. You will come across various websites, but you are supposed to click on the initial one that is indicating Citi Double Cash Card Cashback Credit Card Citi.com, and once you click on it, it will take you to the official website of Citi.com. If you haven't applied for the card yet, find and click on the Apply Now option to begin the application process. And once you have your card, look for the Sign On option in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. This will directly take you to the login page. Now in this page, simply enter the user ID in the first field, followed by the password in the second field. Now check this box of Remember User ID if you'd like this Google Chrome web browser or the system to remember your credentials for the future login. But if you're using a public or shared computer, do not check this box for security reasons. And if you haven't registered or activated your account yet, you can go ahead and click on this link over here. And in the case if you have forgotten your user ID or the password, click on the link of Forgot User ID or the password in order to successfully retry or reset your credentials. You can also opt for the passwordless sign-on as well. And after entering the user ID and the password in the first and the second field correctly, click on the sign-in button that is highlighted in blue color in order to successfully log into your Citi Double Cash Card online account. So following these steps will allow you to easily access your Citi Double Cash Card online account. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.